What's going on, Mike Hobbs here, and I have a public service announcement for those of you using affiliate links in Facebook or Instagram. And I wanted to just make sure that you knew that you potentially could be losing sales if you don't know this. I'm going to show you a practical example. I'll also give you a solution that's going to work across the board, okay? And so here's what's happening. So for example, on my Facebook, if you go over here, you'll see I have a link, and what I like to do is I like to use tracking. Okay, so I like to know if my leads are coming from Facebook. So I added a simple little redirect. It's just basically my domain name.com. So yourdebtfreejourney.com/FB. And I saved it thinking that was going to work, and just redirecting it to a tracking link basically that has $T equals Facebook. And I thought nothing would happen. Every other website on the planet, this works and it works fine. And so I'll show you what's happening with Facebook. And so now when I click my link, as you can see, they add a bunch of crap or gobbledygook, I like to call it, to the end of the URL. See how long this URL is? And I noticed the reason it's breaking my site is because it has a question mark, which is my tracking. And then they add their own question mark. And if anyone knows anything about URL variables, you can only have one. So what they're doing is they're ignoring the redirect and they're just putting the question mark at the end, and they're as if they think there's not one yet. And so that's what's breaking the site. Now, I was thinking about this, I'm like, well, if it's breaking my site just with a little simple tracking, I wonder what it's doing to other people who are using affiliate links. And I actually tried this out on one of my affiliate links recently, and sure enough, it was knocking the code that tracks to me off of the end of the URL. And so I wonder if there's a lot of people who have missed out on lots of sales from your Facebook bio link because they're using a redirect to an affiliate link of some kind that has a question mark ID in there. And so that's just something to be aware of, that Facebook is doing this to you. And so let's go over the solution to this issue. So first of all, don't hide any question mark variables inside of a redirect like this. If you do that, it's a recipe for breaking your site. So that's tip number one. And so what would I do to fix this issue? Just not use the question mark T equals tracking. Just completely remove that, click save, and now I'm good. And I just won't be able to track that this is coming from Facebook. So that's one way you can do it. But what about an affiliate link? So let's say you put an affiliate link here. What's your solutions there? Here's what I would recommend you do. I would recommend you, instead of linking to an affiliate link, so let's say I'm sending them to an affiliate link like this, okay? Instead of sending them to this affiliate link, what you should do is you should get a funnel building tool, or what we call a links page, and build out a page like this, okay? And so let's say I want to add a button. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add a button. I'm gonna say, we're just gonna do all in one business. So this is where you're going to add your affiliate link. Okay. And so you'll add your affiliate link there, you'll save it. And now what you're going to do is you're going to link to this page inside of your funnel builder. Okay. And so let's just say this is the page, and you can also rename it. Like if it's not your first page in your site, what it would actually be would be like /links. Okay. And so let's go over to my Facebook now. And now we're going to do /links. Okay. And so now when someone clicks this link, you see it puts a bunch of gobbledygook at the end still, but your affiliate link is here and it's not going to go by this URL anymore. It's not going to be broken by this URL. They can click on this link and boom, you now have credit for your sale. So it's a foolproof way of getting credits for your sales. So I recommend, if you're going to be using a link on Facebook, to link to a resources page or a capture page of something that you have built in your own funnel building tool. Because then when you do that, you're actually going to set yourself up to where the link is not going to get broken. Because if you use a direct affiliate link right there, it's not going to work. Now, one exception to the rule is our affiliate program. I'll show you that it actually does work still with our links, because we have the and symbol at the end of it as well, not just the question mark. And so I'll just show you that real quick. So if I go to that same URL redirect and I paste in my affiliate link, as you can see right there, question mark, and it has my ID and then the and feed. need, because I have multiple variables in there and because it redirects after it goes to it, after it tracks, it actually ends up working, which I think is cool. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to change this, save. And now when I click it, you'll see that the gobbledygook is gone. How cool is that? And it actually still tracked. As you can see, it shows the picture of Mike demo. Okay. And so yeah, so all of our affiliate links in our affiliate program works, other than the one on the home page. If you go to your grab and go marketing link, this one may break because it doesn't have the and symbol at the end. So I'm just going to warn you, if you're using the HBA affiliate links directly on Facebook, use your affiliate links here if you're redirecting. Okay. So you should all be doing that anyway. We teach you how to redirect all the time. So if you're using the all-in-one, just redirect to that one, redirect to any of these other ones. These will all work on Facebook, no problem. And then anyone else who's not in HBA, you can either go look at our HBA funnel builder. If you go over to seekprosperity.com, if you scroll down a little bit under marketing tools, you'll see the HBA funnel builder. It's only $25 a month. You can build awesome links pages like this. But for everyone else, just build a links page like this, link to your affiliate links from your links page, and then you'll be safe. You'll be safe from Facebook adding a bunch of gobbledygook to the end of your URLs. So anyway, I hope this video helped you. This is my public service announcement to make sure you guys are not losing sales, okay? And so use your own page. That's the importance of having your own funnel building tool, so you can have the best ability to making sales on the internet. And one way is to actually get credit for your sales. So anyway, see you guys in the next video. Hope this helped. Bye for now.